Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Lexus CT200h versus the Toyota Prius. While both vehicles share a common hybrid powertrain, they target very different buyers. The CT200h aims for a luxury feel, offering a more refined interior and driving experience. The Prius, on the other hand, focuses on maximum fuel economy and everyday utility, making it a popular choice for commuters. Under the hood, both models utilize a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, delivering a combined 134 horsepower. However, their driving dynamics differ significantly. The Lexus CT200h offers a firmer suspension and more engaging steering, providing a sportier feel. The Prius prioritizes comfort, with a softer ride that absorbs road imperfections more readily, ideal for daily commuting. Hey everyone, if you're finding this comparison helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, whether you're packing lunch or storing leftovers. You can find the link to these and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Stepping inside, the Lexus CT200h immediately presents a more luxurious environment with premium soft-touch materials and refined finishes throughout the cabin. The Toyota Prius, while functional, uses more utilitarian plastics, focusing on durability and space. The Prius also offers significantly more cargo volume, making it more versatile for hauling groceries or luggage. Both provide essential technology for a comfortable drive. When considering value, the Lexus CT200h commands a higher initial purchase price, reflecting its luxury branding and upgraded interior. The Toyota Prius offers a more budget-friendly entry point. Both vehicles deliver impressive fuel efficiency, with the Prius often achieving over 50 miles per gallon combined, which helps save money at the pump. Due to their shared platform, long-term maintenance costs are quite comparable for both models, though Lexus dealer labor rates can be higher.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.